Before I get my day started, I'm going to be sharing this right here. This is the Ardell. These are naked press-on, pre-glued under lash extensions. That's what these are. And I'm going to be applying this to my natural lashes. As you can see, I have lashes, just they're very curled and short. Let's give it a try. And we're gonna take this out. Start with, it has a 12 mm, 10 and 8. So I'm just gonna use a couple of the 12s and maybe 2 or 1 10 mm. I'm gonna take it from here. There we go. I'm gonna look down. I have a mirror here. I'm gonna look down. Yeah, easy. Take another one, look down, or you could hold your eye up like this and then apply it. Okay, next one. So far I've used 2, now I'm going to be using the third one. I think I prefer holding my lashes, my lid up a little bit. I like that. These are so convenient and easy to use. See? Not bad. I'm gonna use maybe 1 more of the 12 and then I'll show you the difference from each eye. There you go. Okay, now I'm gonna grab a 10 millimeter and put it right here. So that's the difference. There's no lashes here and lashes here. What do you guys think? I really like it. It's pretty pretty. The only thing is you gotta apply this lashes after you're already done your makeup, because you're gonna have to, you know, you don't want to get it dirty with like all the powders and the product, you know? So I like it. I'm gonna do the other eye. So I used the same number, 4 of the 12 mm and then 1 of the 10 mm in here. So that's the final. Look, it's so lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel like I have anything on actually. I like it, but you guys can kind of see the difference, right? I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. They look good. I love it. They look really good. And I've actually used this. You can reuse this a couple of times. At the end of the day, I'll just take each one back and place them right back on here and then reuse them. The only difference is it might fall off, so you have to get like a glue to put on your natural lashes, then just reapply it over and over as much as you like. But I think so far I've only had to reuse it at least 5 times so far. This is a new batch. I only bought 2. This is the second batch that I wanted to use for this video. My first batch is what I've been reusing for about the past 5 days, and it has stayed on pretty much all day. So, and you can also interchange the length if you're feeling like going a little bit longer well, not longer, a little shorter, then you could go ahead with the 8 millimeters. You just give you a bit more of a volume as opposed to length. So I hope you guys like this video. Bye. Sorry, I'm not looking at you guys. I'm trying to record TikTok and my regular video at the same time. So anyways, loving it. Bye.